everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today's painting is actually going to be a landscape. When I say landscape, it also has water, the banks, there is a small house. This is a reference photo. Again, this is a reference photo which I have taken it out of I don't know how I got it. I got it through mobile phone, I think. So that's how I got it. So that's what whoever has taken that credit goes to them. I've just taken that and then tried using watercolor. Now I'll explain more about it, exactly what I've done layer by layer, so you get an idea exactly how to paint. But before we continue, if you are new to this channel, hit that like button and please subscribe and share with your friends so that it helps YouTube algorithm to reach more people. Hello everyone. So like I said, the painting is watercolor painting. The bigger areas on the top, I've used bigger brush. You can see I don't have a mop brush. Usually I don't have mop brush at all. I never bought one. So I have the bigger brush. I have one more bigger brush is there. If I am actually using it for A3, then I use that brush. Otherwise, the brush what you see as the bigger one, actually that works very well for me because works for sky bigger areas. That's what I've used for bigger areas. And horizontal strokes, it holds lot of water, everything. That's how it works. So it depends on exactly what you're trying to paint. Smaller areas I've used smaller brush, two brushes, and then light is from left side, right side is little bit shadow, and then everything else is for the far away waves. And make sure the muddy mountain or on the left hand side, whatever is there, the color mixture what I've got is to get the contrast is, once I applied 2-3, I've used burnt sienna, raw sienna, raw umber, all three I've used. And then I also used a little bit of Veridian Hue just to get that to get the darkness. I could also have used Prussian blue, that's also a possibility, or otherwise added some black to that to get. So many combinations are there. I've just used only the paints which are dominant in that painting. So look at the application how I've applied. So it depends on actually those muddy mountains, either they go as cliffs or otherwise slopes. So depending on that, your application is supposed to be. I've applied layer by layer, part by part, so that they don't get mixed. So apart from that, everything is just color application. So if you have understand again light, shadows, far away waves, but mainly understand the mountains on the left hand side and the greenery in the foreground. So the depth that which is shown in that, everything is actually very simple. Follow along with me if you are painting. If you are painting for enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next video.